Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick tweak that can save you from constant distractions, hiding the taskbar notification badge for WhatsApp on PC. If you've ever found that little red badge pulsing with messages and felt it pulling you away from the task at hand, this simple update will help you regain focus without missing important chats. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. This is the doorway to the settings we'll adjust, so start there and let the app's familiar layout guide you. Next, locate the gear icon on the left side of the menu. This gear is your gateway to customization. A quick click will open a new panel filled with options designed to tailor WhatsApp to the way you work and communicate. From this menu, enter the notifications section. Here you'll find a collection of toggles and preferences that control how WhatsApp alerts you. It's worth taking a moment to scan what's offered because these settings are what shape your day-to-day interruptions. Within notifications, look for the option labeled Show Taskbar Notification Badge. This is the badge that appears on the taskbar icon whenever you have new messages. Click on it and you'll be presented with choices for how you want to receive alerts. Choose Never from the options. Selecting this tells WhatsApp to stop showing the red badge on your taskbar, allowing you to work uninterrupted while still receiving messages in your chat stream when you open the app. It's a simple trade-off. You won't see a badge, but you'll still see new messages when you open WhatsApp itself. If you ever decide to re-enable the badge, you can revisit the same path and switch the setting back to always or as. Messages arrive depending on your preference. This flexibility makes it easy to tailor notifications to your workflow, so you're not pulled away from important tasks more than you want. Hiding the taskbar badge is a small change with a big impact. It helps create a cleaner computer workspace, reduces constant nudges, and keeps your attention where it belongs on the work at hand without sacrificing the ability to catch a message when you need it. Give it a try and see how your focus improves. If you'd like, I can walk through other notification tweaks for your favorite apps to help you customize your digital environment even further.